Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the 8 puzzle problem without using the heuristic value. In the last video we have discussed how to solve it using the heuristic value. Here we are not using the heuristic value. So if you see, this is my initial state and this is the goal state that I want to achieve using this initial state. If you see, the space is here, the empty space is here. So the empty space can move upside, it can move right side or it can move downside. Because we are not using the heuristic value, we should follow or travel all the possible paths. Now the three possible conditions are upside, next it is right side and then it is downside. So you can write any one first, you can write downside first, you can write first right side first, like that also you can write. If the empty space is exchanged with upside number, that is 1 will be exchanged with the empty space and empty space will go to the ones place and all other number will be same in the previous step itself. Next, if it exchanged with the right side, so 4 will come here and all other will remain as it is. Next, downside means it will be exchanged with 7. So 7 will go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 8. So 7 is not there, 7 had gone upside. Now if you see, we are not having the heuristic value because we are not using heuristic value to solve this problem. So how to proceed with this problem means, just compare each state with the goal state and which will be favorable enough to move to the goal state, we will be using that path. So if you see here, 1 is not there but here 1 is there. So this is not the path that I want. Here 1 is there, 1 is there. 2 is in the same place, 3 is also in same place, 4 is also in same place. Next, here if you see, 1 is in same place, 2 is in same place, 3 is in same place, but 7 is not in the same place. You must come in the sequence, left side to right side, left side to right side, like that. If you see, this is the one that is favoring the condition so that we can move to the goal state. So this is not favoring because in the place of 4 we are having 7. So what you must do is, you must write the possible condition for which we are not using to move to the final state. That is, this empty space can move right side and it can move downside. Right, like this. Here this one, this empty space can move upside and it can move right side. So these are the possible two conditions. Next, using this we will be expanding and reaching the goal state. If you see here, the blank space is at the middle. So it can move upside, right side, downside and left side. So 4 possible conditions. Now what are my 4 conditions? It can move upside, it can move downside, it can move right side and it can move left side. So 4 possible conditions when my blank is at the middle. So if it move to the upside, 2 will be replaced with the empty box and empty box will replace 2 and all others will be same from the previous step itself. Next, downside means 5 and empty space will exchange and all others will remain from the previous step. Next, right side means 6. Next, left side means 4 will be replaced. Now, among 4 of these conditions, which will be favoring us to move to the goal state, we will be choosing that one. If you see here, 1 is at the same place of the goal state. Here, empty space is there, but here 2 is there. So this is not the condition I want. Here, 1 is at same place, 2 is also at same place, 3 is at the same place, 4 is at same place, 5 is at same place, 6 is at same place, 7 is at same place. Here 1 is at same place, 2 is at same place, 3 at same place, 4 at same place, 6 at the same place. If you compare these two, this is favoring more. So I will cancel this one. Now if you see this condition, 1, 2, 3 are in the same position, but here you are having the empty space and here you are having the 4. Among these two, this is favoring the more condition to move to the goal state easily. So I will cancel this one. I will be choosing this state to move to the goal state further. So just expand them. It can move right, down and left. So right, down and left. Here the empty space can move up, left and down. Up, left, down. This one can move up, right, down. Up, right, down. Now, if you want to expand this one, it can move upside, it can move left side, it can move right side. So, 3 possible conditions. So, let's write this will be of upside, this will be of right side, this will be of left side. So, whichever you want, you can write first. Now, if you see, for upside means the empty space will be exchanged with 5. So, 5 will come to the empty space and all others will remain as it is. Next, right side means it will be exchanged with 8. So, 8 will come here and all others will remain as it is. Next, left side means it will be exchanged with 7. If you see here, we got the final state, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have reached the goal state. So this is how you can solve the 8 puzzle problem without using the heuristic value. Whichever the condition among all possibilities will be favoring us to move to the goal or the final state easily, we will be choosing that one. So hope you understood the concept of solving this problem. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, please do comment below. I will clarify your doubt. If you liked the video, please do subscribe and support us, because your one support motivates us to make more engineering related videos. Thank you.